I told you that right now your liver could be drowning in fat and you wouldn't even feel it. No pain, no warning, just silent damage building up every single day. I'm Dr. William Lee, and on Care on Health, we don't sugarcoat the truth. Today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful drinks that can actually pull fat out of your liver. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your liver matters more than almost any other organ in your body. Let's start with the basics. Your liver is one of the largest organs you have, and its primary job is to clean your blood. Every drop of blood in your body passes through your liver so it can strip out toxins, filter out waste, and keep your system running clean. It's essentially your body's most sophisticated detox machine, working around the clock every single day without rest. Now here's where fat enters the picture. When you eat anything, even healthy food, your body breaks it down, pulls the energy out, and stores what it doesn't immediately need as body fat. Think of your body like a car. Eating is like pulling into a gas station and filling up your tank. When you're moving, exercising, or even sleeping, your body draws down that stored fuel and burns it off. That's perfectly normal. That's the system working exactly as designed. But what happens when you keep filling the tank without ever burning it down? Your fat cells, called adipocytes, are remarkable. They can stretch up to 3 times their original size to accommodate extra energy, but push them far enough and they hit their limit. And when that happens, the overflow has to go somewhere. That somewhere is your liver. Here's the critical moment to understand. When fat spills out of your overloaded fat cells and floods your bloodstream, your liver jumps in like a first responder. It absorbs that excess fat to protect the rest of your body. Except now your liver is becoming a storage tank for fat it was never meant to hold. The more fat it absorbs, the harder it becomes for your liver to do its actual job, cleaning your blood. This is how fatty liver disease develops. Slowly, silently, and dangerously. And fatty liver isn't just a cosmetic problem. When your liver is clogged with fat, it begins to fail at detoxifying your body. Toxins accumulate, inflammation rises, and over time, what started as a manageable condition can progress to cirrhosis, permanent scarring of the liver, or even liver failure. The stakes here are real. But here's the good news, and this is why we're having this conversation today. Your liver has a remarkable ability to recover, if you give it the right support. And what you drink every single day plays a far bigger role in that recovery than most people realize. So let's talk about the 5 drinks that the science actually backs. The first is green tea. Green tea is rich in compounds called catechins, powerful antioxidants that have been shown in clinical research to reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Studies have found that regular green tea consumption can lower liver fat levels and reduce liver inflammation. Brew it fresh, drink it without sugar, and aim for 2 to 3 cups a day. Your liver will notice the difference. The second is coffee. And yes, I mean real coffee. Not a sugary, heavily creamed coffee drink, but actual black coffee or coffee with minimal additions. Multiple large studies have confirmed that regular coffee drinkers have significantly lower rates of fatty liver disease. Coffee stimulates enzymes in the liver that help break down fat and reduce inflammation. 2 cups a day appears to be the sweet spot based on the research. The third is beet juice. Beets contain a compound called betaine, which plays a direct role in liver metabolism. Betaine helps the liver process and eliminate fats more efficiently, and it has anti-inflammatory properties that protect liver cells from damage. Fresh beet juice or a quality beet powder mixed in water can be tremendously supportive for liver health. The fourth is lemon water. The liver produces bile, which is critical for digesting and breaking down dietary fats. Lemon juice stimulates bile production, helping the liver do its fat processing work more efficiently. It also provides vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps combat liver inflammation. Warm lemon water first thing in the morning before you eat anything is one of the simplest and most effective habits you can build for liver support. The fifth is plain water, and do not underestimate this one. Hydration is the foundation that makes everything else work. Water keeps your blood flowing efficiently through your liver, supports kidney function, dilutes circulating toxins, and helps your body transport fat out of liver cells and into the metabolic pathway where it can be burned. If you're dehydrated, every other intervention you make becomes less effective. Drink consistently throughout the day, not 10 rigid glasses on a schedule, but in response to your body's actual signals. Sip regularly. If you're thirsty, drink. If you're exercising, working outdoors, or in a hot environment, drink more. Now here's a critical pro tip about water that I cannot skip. Most people reaching for a plastic bottle of water every day don't realize what else they're drinking along with it. Modern research has confirmed that plastic water bottles shed billions of microscopic plastic particles, microplastics and nanoplastics, directly into the water inside them. These particles are invisible to the naked eye, but they are there. Scientists have now found microplastics in human blood, heart tissue, blood vessels, arterial plaque, and yes, in testicular tissue. One landmark Italian study found that people whose arterial blockages contained plastic particles had a fourfold increased risk of heart attack or stroke. 4 times the risk. That is no longer a theoretical concern. That is documented harm. So when you drink water, get it from a glass bottle or a glass container. If you carry water with you, use a stainless steel thermos, one that is metal on the inside, not plastic lined. If you use a plastic sports bottle, understand that every cycle through the dishwasher degrades that plastic and puts more particles into your water. Protect your liver by protecting your water source. Now, I want to be direct with you about something. The drinks we've covered today are genuinely powerful tools for liver support. But if you already have fatty liver disease, if your doctor has told you, or if you suspect it based on your symptoms or blood work, these beverages are not a substitute for proper medical care. Fatty liver is a serious progressive condition that requires professional evaluation and treatment. What you drink and eat matters enormously, and we will cover the foods that support liver recovery in my next video. But please work with your doctor, get the imaging, get the blood work, get supervised care. Your liver is working for you every second of your life. Give it the support it deserves, starting with what you put in your glass. I'm Dr. William Lee. This is Care on Health. Stay educated, stay proactive, and I'll see you in the next one.